In Garv, once again you're paired with your brother, you're acting with your brother once again. So how was it? He was a hero again and he was being, it had a unique concept. So
Yeah.
something like
It was great working with Salman once again. This is the third film that we are doing together. Prior to this, we had done Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, and then we had done Hello Brother, and this time we have done Gulf together. But the only difference between those films were that in those films we were at loggerheads with each other, maybe in a little comic way or whatever. But this time we were together, you know, as what you say, colleagues. We both playing cops. We both have the same ideologies. We have the same motivation, the same goals, and great respect and regards for each other. So it was great doing this particular role also. So. Working with Salman has always been fun. We have this great rapport. And we don't necessarily, besides the fact that we're brothers, we have got great regards for each other as professionals. And when we're on the sets, it's a mix of both. Somewhere the brotherly attitude comes. Sometimes the professional attitude comes, where he turns around and tells me more as an actor that this is what I think you should do. And sometimes I might look at him, doing a scene, and I'm like, how about doing it that way? So we have this great rapport. Plus, then being brothers, that emotion is always there. So even when I'm not required to be on the sets, I'll be there on the sets. When he's not required to be on the set, sometimes he'll stay back and he'll probably be over, and I'm supposed to be still shooting for the next couple of hours. He'll probably be there to just see if everything is going fine. So it is always a very comforting feeling to work with a brother who's not just a star but a great professional.
पुनीत सर आपके फैमिली फ्रेंड भी हैं, तो he as a director.
Well, he's a very hard-working director and painstaking director. He is another person who is he's goes into a lot of details, and he's got when he works on a particular script, he's got a certain way that he wants his particular scenes and his actors to to perform. So one thing that I liked working with him is that as far as the performance of as far as the scene is concerned, it was totally his vision. And sometimes you come to a sets and the director gives you too much of a leeway to do a scene your way, and it may not necessarily be what is the requirement of the scene or the interpretation, because it's not always that an actor will know how to interpret a scene without the help of a director or without the help of a scriptwriter. But once a director knows that this is the character, this is what I want out of the character, then he kind of channelizes your performance. So that is what Mr. Punit sir has done as far as everybody's performance in the film is concerned. So that way you feel comfortable that, okay, fine, as far as my performance is concerned, this director is there to take care, because he's going to just fine tune me into what he wants out of very clear about what he wants, very dedicated, very sincere, first man on the sets, in the sense, like even before the unit has arrived, he's there looking at what he wants to do. Everything's planned, chalked out, and probably the last man to leave the sets thinking about what he wants to do the next day. So it's great to work with a man like this who's so passionate about his work.
Yeah, there was this sign that's made this way. I don't know.
Yeah,
In Garv, it's very unique.
That's
So
right.
I want to ask you about that.
That's बोलते हैं चौकड़ी मार दी, मतलब आप किसी चीज़ पे क्रॉस कर दे तो मतलब उसको ख़त्म करना है. तो that is what was decided between the actor and director, that every time he wants to eliminate a criminal, elimination was with this, like that's what it was.
Okay.